We've done some work now with taking fraction subtraction with like denominators. We're going to take a look at what that looks like when I have a mixed number, 1 3/4, and I'm taking away an improper fraction. So in 4th grade, we expect kids to be able to use both mixed numbers and improper fractions using models and diagrams and eventually moving towards abstract, as long as those fractions have like denominators. So in our problem so far, we have 1 whole and we have 3/4, and we're taking from that 5/4 or 5 1/4 pieces. So as students look at this model, they're likely noticing I only have 1 2 3/4 available for me to take away. So their first step might be 1 3/4 minus those 3/4 or those 3/4. And let's see what we would be left with. I would take 1/4, 2/4, and 3/4 away. I'm left with 1 whole. Now, I would see right away, I was supposed to take 5/4 away. I've only taken 3/4 away, which would leave me with 2 more fourths. So this is building on the understanding that I know 1 whole is represented by 4/4. So I can either build the entire model with the 4/4 out, which is fine if students need to use that model, or I might just know that information and be able to just do that part mentally. We know we still had 2/4 left to take away, so we had 1 whole, and we're using it and we're trading that now so that we have fourths instead of whole numbers, and we still had 2/4 to take away. Let's take our 2/4 away. 1/4, 2/4, and I am left with 2/4. So again, I'm going to have students that may need to build all fourths and trade that in for their 1 whole, just so they can see that visually. Or you might have some students, when they see that 1 whole and they visualize taking away those 2/4, can visualize that 2/4 and 2/4. If I take 2, that would leave me with 2. Either one of those representations is perfectly acceptable for our 4th grade students.